How to make money with Google Maps fast. 100 to 500 per day method. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe, because I will go ahead and reply to you. Alright, so I'm going to reveal to you the process of doing this. You know, I've been a web developer for 20 years and I've made loads of money building websites. And so I'm going to show you the process, what it takes to make it happen. Even if you're not a web developer, even if you've never done anything online, you are able to do this. Let me, in a nutshell, show you what is it. First, you want to come to Google Maps, which with Google Chrome or any browser, you can, Google Maps and come here. And this right here is my island, is where I live, right? And so what we're going to do is, if we zoom in, it's right here, it's going to show all kinds of businesses right here that we can go after. What we're going to be doing is we're going to look for business that are not showing on the Google Maps, that are not ranking, that are not showing on the first page of Google, and that don't have a website, that have no presence online. What we're going to offer them is a few solutions that they can do fast and get results really quick. And so the solution that we're going to give them first is we're going to list them on top. So when they search, for example, dentist, instead of them, showing way down and nobody can find it, we're going to put them up. And also we're going to offer them to make them a website in 2 days. And also we're going to offer them, if they want, an ad on Google, so that when people search for their business on their local area, their ad's going to show up, and therefore it's going to attract customers for them. So we're going to offer them the listing so they can go up on the ranking and therefore get more leads, more calls to their business. Then we're going to offer them a website, because a business without a website nowadays, it makes no sense, right? So they can attract more customers. And then we can also offer them ads so people can find their business, especially on Google search. And so that's what we're going to do. And the process that I'm going to show with you right now is the process that I use. And when I do this process, almost never does not work. Every time I do this, I never get a no. I always get that customer, and I do it for them because of the way that I present them the offer. And so here's how I do it. And I'm going to show you the process and everything. So stay till the end of the video so you'll get and you get the idea of how all of this works. So first of all, I want to decide of which niche I want to focus on. There's all kinds of niches that I can go after, right? Plumbers, dentists. Let me focus on dentists. What I would do right from start, and go to Google Maps, and I will go right here and search for dentist. Press enter. Okay, what's gonna happen here is it's gonna show all the dentists that I have here in the island where I live. What I do is, first I wanna come here, because this right here is all the dentists that shows here. And as you can see down here, there's a lot of dentists that are here that don't have a website. So let me click here, medic, let me click this one. So for instance, this right here, it has their number, no website at all. And by the way, I did this just to give an example right here. So let me click here and dentist. Okay, you see this dentist right here? I did their website, this one right here. And now when people search for dentist here in the island, he's one of the top ones showing on the ranking. He has now website. To give an example here, let me click and show you. Here it is, their website. People can click here to reserve their appointment, put out the fields, and it will be sent to the receptionists there, right? So that's the website. Now what you want to do is you want to look for websites here that have no website at all. So for instance, this one, let's click in it and let's look here, and you see it has their phone, has no website. And then I come here to Google, and then I type here dentist. So here right now it's going to show all the dentists that we have here. By the way, this dentist, I did the same process. He's now on the first page. This dentist that we were looking at right here, it's not showing here on the ranking on one of the top ones. So what you want to do is you want to get this program, which is Loom, and you can install it for free. What this will do is we'll record your screen and have your face here, and you could also enable your webcam. I definitely recommend. And then what I do is I hit record, and I literally go and I do something along these lines. Hi, my name is Fábio and I'm a digital marketer. I was looking here at a dentist in Terceira, which is where your dentist office is. And I've noticed that your office is not showing on the first page right here when I search for dentist. What's happening here is you are losing loads of clients, people, because normally people search for dentist here on Google and they see the first top 3 and they'll go to their website and they'll go their phone number, and that's how people go about it nowadays. Now your website is not showing up here. And also I can see that you don't have no website. I looked in here. You have no website at all. And so what's happening is you're losing people here. Now I can really help you with this. I can do 3 things for you. First, number 1 is I can put you up here on the rankings. So when people search dentist in your local area, your dentist office is going to be on the top ones, and therefore you're going to get clients. Second thing I can do for you is create you a website, and I do websites in a way that in 2 days I built your website, high quality, and you can see the template before and everything. Third thing I can do for you is I can run you an ad on Google Ads where you can spend like $3 to $5 a day, and everybody that searches dentist, cleaning dentist, not only you will show here on top, but it will also show here on the right on the top. It will show an ad pointing to your dentist. So very likely people will click on your ad and go ahead and call your dentist. And so these 3 things can really help you be more visible on the internet and literally get people going into your dentist office like you never seen before. Now I can do this for you, and if you want me to rank your business to be on the top right here, that's $100. And if you want your business to be ranked on top here and you have a website, a professional website here, that's going to be $500. And if you want me to do with the ads and everything, then we can have a chat and see how much we can do for that. And then also you just have to pay monthly for the website to be hosted, which is $30 per month. And something along these lines, it's not exactly like this, but when you put it this way and you're telling them up front what you're going to do, then they're going to be like, this guy. And so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and call them, ask for the receptionist for the email of the owner, right? And that you are going to send them an important email. And you could say with the subject line and your name, right? That you're going to send them right now so he can see it. And then they're going to tell them and they're going to see. And what you're going to send them is the video that you just recorded showing them that their business is not showing up, not ranking, people are not finding it. And so and on the video, of course you want to tell them, to reply to you and all that stuff. And you want to do this process for at least 10 businesses per day. Once you get the clients in the door, how are you going to do this? First of all, to rank on the first page of Google Maps, there's you can come here to Fiverr, and for $20, $22, these people will do this for you. So you're going to charge them $100, and you can get this at fiverr.com, and that's one way to go about it, right? Then for the websites, of course, I've had to mention this, is using the Builderall tool, which is this one. It's an all-in-one marketing platform, and you can do websites with this. And the thing that you want to do with this is use this thing right here, which is website agency. So you can register for this tool, and you can have as many websites as you want for free, completely drag and drop, and you charge the client for the hosting, right? And the good thing about this is that now Builderall has this thing, which is when you create a website, you come to this thing, which is Template Smart. You choose the template right here, and right here you come here to manage tags, you would create a new group here, and then what you do is literally you have the headlines, the business name, the business website, their contacts, their email, just everything about the business here, and you can create the tags yourself here. And then once you do that, you select which the website, the data that you've put here, and then you come here and you select templates. And what this will do, there's hundreds of websites ready made for you, right? That with the data that you've put in for their websites, it's going to create the website completely for you, a professional website. And then you can, show them, and there's this way you can do it, but there's also other templates here that you can manually put, but this is a great way to go about it. So you don't need to be a web developer, you don't need none of that. With this Builderall tool, you can build websites, drag and drop, very easy. I actually have videos here on my channel showing you how to do this, how to build a website from scratch. So that's pretty easy, and you have templates, so you can literally build a website in like 30 minutes. Then to offer them to do ads on Google and for their business to show on the first page, I have tutorials also how to do this step by step. I will leave them on the description below. And so you want to make sure that you have a process for this. You want to make sure you hit at least 5 to 10 business per day. And then you want to make sure you have a process to rank them and to get them the website. And use this, because if you use this method with tags, templates, then it's going to be very easy for you to create the websites. There's not a lot of work you have to do. Very easy to do. And this really works amazingly because with Google Maps, you can get as many customers as you can possibly think. And it doesn't have to be just on your local area. It can be all over where you live, on your country. It can even be outside of your country, in the US, in the UK, just anywhere you can do this because you can do it remotely online. But if you do it this way, if you do a video, you present yourself and you tell them the problems that they have, they're not ranking, they don't have a website, and they have no ads. So if you present them this way and tell them, then the conversion rate, they're gonna be really good, like, wow, this guy just told me that I'm not getting clients because of this, and now all of a sudden I can make it happen with his help. So normally they say yes if you do this, and you want to make sure that you call them and tell them, hey, I sent you an email with the video, if you could please take a look at it and let me know what you think, right? Something along these lines. And this method is really powerful if you decide to go all in with this, because with Builderall, the thing with this website agency thing is you can create as many websites as you want absolutely for free. So you pay once for this tool, and then you can make as many sites as you want. And by the way, the good thing about this is that you can give them access and they can change the websites themselves later on. So you could tell them that you build a website, but then it's in this tool where they can change whenever they want, so they don't have to contact me to change. You'll give them everything. So you have to make a plan of action to where what is it that you're gonna give them. And once you do these videos over and over and over, you're gonna become so good at it that's going to become very easy, and then you have a bunch of clients coming in every day, and you can actually build a company and a business, social media business, and even doing their Facebook, their Instagram page. You could do all of that as well. I'm just talking about building websites because this is more focused on the the Google Maps strategy, where you literally tell them, hey, nobody's seeing your business, I can help you solve that problem. So also below, I'm going to leave a 14-day free trial of Builderall. So that's the tool that I use and I recommend for website building, because they have this website agency tool, and that's going to be below. Hope that was helpful. If you like, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, go ahead and share with them, please. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn how to create the website from scratch, click right here on top and I will show you how to do it. And there we go. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself. You can do this. Go all in. Make it happen. This is a great strategy, and it can make a lot of money if you just focus on this. Cheers and have a blessing day. See you next time.